Does there think there's cherries right there?
I do think there's cherry in there. That's there's strawberries. It's strawberry ice cream, huh?
Now go in this middle. Yeah.
Is that good? Are you guys liking it? Is it good? The cone is good. What's your favorite part? The ice cream or the cone?
The ice cream.
The ice cream.
I like the cone.
You like the cone?
I like the ice cream. I like the cone.
You like the cone? Good job, guys. I'm glad you like it. You guys are expert ice cream eaters. I know. You're going to bite the bottom of the cone, Caleb, and all your ice cream is going to fall down it. It's going to fall out the bottom. Eat around the top. Yeah, there you go. Get in there.
Mommy, all of us are going to get a bellyache maybe.
Well, I hope not. We didn't give you that much ice cream. You don't have to eat it all. Do you want to leave some?
Okay, I'll leave my bottle.
Totally unlike Aubrey to leave some ice cream cone.
What?
It's totally unlike you.
Ooh. Oh. Like we might start getting a bellyache.
That'd be bad.
I need to still on my. Can I take all my ice cream so I can eat this part?
Just eat the cone? Sure. What if I just give you a cone? That'd be good.
A cone!
A cone!
A cone!
All right.